Hello children. Welcome back to Study Solution with Ravi Kumar. Today we are going to read and understand a very beautiful story, The Squirrel. So, open your English book and let's start our class. Chapter 4. The Squirrel. Children, this is a very sweet story about Harshita and Yash, a sister and brother. They lived in a small house with a beautiful garden behind it. बच्चों, यह कहानी हर्षिता और यश की है. ये दोनों भाई बहन थे और एक छोटे से घर में रहते थे. उनके घर के पीछे एक सुंदर बगीचा था. There were many trees, coconut, mango, guava, pomegranate, and papaya. At the gate of the garden, there was a tulsi plant. बगीचे में बहुत सारे पेड़ थे नारियल, आम, अमरूद, अनार और पपीते के. बगीचे के फाटक पर तुलसी का पौधा था. That garden was home to a squirrel. यह बगीचा एक गिलहरी का घर था. The Squirrel and the Story. One day, Harshita and Yash were playing in the garden. Yash saw the squirrel and asked, "Sister, what is that?" Harshita said, "It's a squirrel." एक दिन हर्षिता और यश बगीचे में खेल रहे थे. यश ने गिलहरी को देखा और पूछा, "दीदी, यह क्या है?" हर्षिता बोली, "यह गिलहरी है." Yash said, "It has beautiful stripes on its body." Then Harshita told a story related to those stripes. यश बोला, इसके शरीर पर सुंदर धारियां हैं. तब हर्षिता ने उन धारियों से जुड़ी एक कहानी सुनाई. Story of Lord Ram and the Squirrel. Lord Ram was building a bridge across the sea with the help of monkeys and bears. They worked day and night. A small squirrel also came to help. भगवान राम समुद्र पर पुल बना रहे थे. उनकी सेना में बंदर और भालू थे जो दिन रात काम कर रहे थे. एक छोटी गिलहरी भी मदद करने आई. It carried small pieces of sand in its mouth and dropped them into the sea. Lord Ram was very happy. He picked up the squirrel and touched it with his fingers. गिलहरी अपने मुंह में रेत के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े भरकर समुद्र में डालती थी. भगवान राम बहुत खुश हुए. उन्होंने गिलहरी को उठाया और अपने हाथ से सहलाया. From that day, stripes appeared on its body, the symbol of Lord Ram's love. उस दिन से गिलहरी के शरीर पर धारियां आ गईं, जो भगवान राम के स्नेह का प्रतीक हैं. The Curious Children. After that, Harshita and Yash loved to watch the squirrel every day. They saw it jumping from branch to branch and searching for something. उसके बाद हर्षिता और यश रोज गिलहरी को देखना पसंद करने लगे. वे उसे डाल से डाल पर कूदते और कुछ खोजते देखते थे. Yash asked, "What is it searching for?" Harshita said, "It is searching for the fruit it was eating yesterday." यश ने पूछा, यह क्या खोज रही है? हर्षिता बोली, यह वही फल ढूंढ रही है जो कल खा रही थी. It doesn't waste food. वह बोली, यह खाना बर्बाद नहीं करती. The baby squirrel. After some days, they saw a baby squirrel with its mother. One day, the baby squirrel fell down while jumping. It became unconscious. कुछ दिनों बाद उन्होंने गिलहरी के बच्चे को देखा. एक दिन वह डाल से गिर गया और बेहोश हो गया. Harshita quickly brought a glass of water and poured it on the baby's mouth. After some time, it moved and ran back to its mother. Both Harshita and Yash became very happy. हर्षिता तुरंत पानी लाई और बच्चे के मुंह पर पानी डाला. थोड़ी देर बाद वह हिला और अपनी मां के पास भाग गया. दोनों बहुत खुश हुए. New words. Stripes lines धारियां. Dropped let something fall गिराना. Waste use carelessly बर्बाद करना. Unconscious not awake बेहोश. Poured made liquid flow डाला. Exercise. 1. Answer these questions. A. Which plant was at the gate of the garden? Answer, there was a tulsi plant at the gate of the garden. B. How did the squirrel help in building the bridge? Answer, the squirrel carried small pieces of sand in its mouth and dropped them into the sea. C. Why was the squirrel carrying seeds? Answer, the squirrel was carrying seeds for its baby. D. What did Harshita do when the baby squirrel fell? Answer, Harshita brought a glass of water and poured it on the baby squirrel's mouth. Do write true or false. A. There was a garden behind the house. True. B. Harshita was a student of class 4. True. C. Yash poured water on the baby squirrel's mouth. False. D. The squirrel stores food. False. E. The baby squirrel fell on the ground. True. F. Harshita caught the squirrel. False. 3. Make sentence from the jumbled words. A. They in small a lived house. Answer. They lived in a small house. B. Beautiful was very the garden. Answer. The garden was very beautiful. C. Day night and were monkeys working. Answer. Monkeys were working day and night. D. Saw Yash squirrel baby. A. Answer. Yash saw a baby squirrel. E. Happy became both very. Answer. Both became very happy. 4. Fill in the blanks with the given words. A. Cricket is an interesting game. B. There are stripes on the body of the zebra. C. The bird lives in its nest. D. A guest came to my house. E. I am glad to meet you. F. The crane lifts the truck. 5. Make abstract noun by adding ness, hood or ship. A. Kind kindness. B. King kingness. C. Owner ownership. D. Boy boyhood. E. Child childhood. F. Friend friendship. G. Mother motherhood. H. Dark darkness. I. Great greatness. J. Fit fitness. 6. Make sentences from this table. Here are some possible sentences. This is my cow. This is Ram's house. That was your sister. That was Sita's book. Moral of the story. We should help others, even if we are small. Every small effort counts. जितना हो सके दूसरों की मदद करनी चाहिए. हर छोटी मदद भी बड़ी होती है. So children, that was our beautiful story The Squirrel. If you like this explanation, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Study Solution with Ravi Kumar. See you in the next video. Bye bye and keep learning.